So guys, I want to talk about something that nobody wants to talk about here in Roswell, New Mexico. There is some UFO sightings, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that has been witnessing this. One evening, driving down this road right here, I saw this spacecraft hovering over this power plant. And there was some lightnings coming down onto the power plant from the bottom of the spacecraft. I would only assume that it was recharging the spaceship. And then I got blinded by this white light that only lasted a millisecond. And okay guys, I'm kidding. I've never seen anything like that. I've always been intrigued by this electrical power plant. So in my attempt to order cheap film online, I ended up getting expired film, something that expired in 2007. I was a little bit disappointed. Yeah, I guess I didn't read the description before purchasing it, but now that it's in my hands, I have no choice but to shoot it. And let me tell you, I was a bit impressed with the results I got. It's ISO 200, but being expired, I shot it at ISO 50. This photo right here, I don't think I got her quite in focus. I'm still trying to get used to the rangefinder. Taking pictures of cars on film is just hard to describe. That nostalgic feeling just multiplies. Some of these pictures are not that interesting. I included all the photos of two 24 exposure rolls. The scans are exactly as I got them from the lab. You can definitely tell it's not the best resolution, but I mean, the images are there. There's imperfections. The grain is very noticeable under low light. If I really want sharp images, I can just take photos with my digital camera, but where's the challenge there, really? The camera does all the work for you. This took place in front of the courthouse, downtown Roswell. I really like this guy's reaction in this photo. He noticed that I was taking a picture and he like straight up gave me a smile. That's priceless right there. I didn't really get to experience the festival fully. I'm sure I missed a bunch of interesting things. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and stay tuned for more videos like this.